That is the only video you need to understand the real difference between support and resistance and supply and demand zones. I will reveal the important theory and real market examples. And watch this video until the end, because we will also discuss the important trendline-based zones. Traders, please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's start. Support and resistance levels are the certain levels on a price chart from where in the past we saw significant bullish or bearish movements. When you're looking for support and resistance levels, please realize the fact that you are looking for one single level. Here in New Zealand dollar, on a daily time frame, we have a very perfect horizontal resistance. If we draw a horizontal line, we can spot that horizontal level. And you can see that perfectly 2 times in a row in the past. From that single level, we saw strong bearish reactions. Traders, don't miss a big sale. Until tomorrow, Black Friday sale on my premium group. Inside you will get the access to my daily live streams. Inside you will get my course and the book. And as a bonus, you will get a lifetime access to my VIP Signals group. For more info, check the link in the description below or text me in one of the social networks. I will give you more details. Don't miss your chance, traders. Then, if we analyze that level, here we have a strong support. In the past, 2 times in a row, we saw bearish reactions from that level. And after the breakout, it turned into support. And you can see how perfectly the price respects one single level. Supply and demand zones are the areas on a price chart where the market participants are placing their orders. When you're looking for a supply or demand zone, you're looking for the area. And in order to identify the area, you should analyze different support and resistance levels. Take a look at pound dollar pair. Here we have a lot of supports. We have a support here, 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 and here. You can see that all these key levels were very important for the market participants in the past. And at the same time, you can see that all the structures are lying very close to each other. And in such situation, what we do, we unite all the structures into one single area. And moreover, when we draw the area, we consider the wick and the candle close. That will be our zone of demand. And we will call that area the zone of demand because we assume that the buying orders are placed within that entire area, from the upper boundary of the zone to the lower boundary of the zone. Everywhere are the buying orders. Take a look at gold. Here we have a key horizontal support. That structure was respected by the market multiple times in the past. And from that single level, we saw strong bullish and bearish reactions. And over here, we have the supply zone. Take a look. We have multiple structures lying very close to each other. What we do, we unite all these structures into one single area. So here in gold, we have a horizontal support and zone of supply. So far we discussed the horizontal supply and demand zones, but occasionally the supply and demand zones can be based on trend lines. And in such situations, the supply and demand zones will have a very specific shape. Take a look at New Zealand CAD pair. First of all, here we have a very important horizontal zone of demand. In the past, it was the supply zone, and after the breakout, it turned into demand zone. Also, if we look left, we can also spot here this major falling trend line. The trend line from where we saw 4 very important bearish movements in the past. And you can see that both that horizontal supply zone and that trend line were broken. The thing is, traders, that now the broken trend line and the broken zone of supply compose the expanding zone of demand, the area that is based on a broken horizontal zone and on a broken trend line. And we will anticipate a bullish reaction from that entire area. Here's one more supply zone on a dollar-yen pair. You can see that here the price is violating that horizontal support and that trend line. And after the breakout, the broken horizontal support and the trend line will compose the expanding zone of supply, and we will assume that sellers will place their orders within that entire area. Support and resistance, supply and demand zones are very important because they provide the safest points to buy and sell the market from. For that reason, it is so important for you to learn to identify them properly. Traders, let me know in the comment section if you have any questions. Also, traders, do not forget about Big Black Friday sale, 40% off my premium group. For more info, check the link in the description below. Also, traders, do not forget to watch my other videos, like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you so much for watching.